Hey, meal preppers, Paul coming at you. Happy Thursday. Here I am behind the camera. I'm in front of the camera. Amy's behind the camera. One time. We'll get her back.
I'm working on it. Puppy dogs.
We got puppy dogs right here. Hey, dogs. And then we got dishes.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you don't prepare before you cook. Usually I clean out the dishwasher, put all the dirty dishes in there.
We forgot.
But I forgot. And now you see our carnage.
Yep.
Our pre-carnage and our carnage.
Yep.
This week, guys, I experimented. You know, when I tell Amy, is like, okay, I got all the meals ready. And she's like, okay. But she had no idea what I was cooking.
Nope.
Grocery shopping was interesting. It actually went pretty good.
All I did was push the cart.
Well, and all she did was push the cart.
But
I was like, I was kind of winging it there for a little bit. And you'll see why, but we got some beautiful dishes.
Yeah, so when he
Don't
screwed
worry,
up, I didn't notice.
I won't lead you astray. Everything will be calculated and detailed out, but look at these dishes. We've got some stir-fried chicken right here with some quinoa, some healthy greens. We got some fish right here, Garam Masala fish, and we're gonna have some cauliflower tacos with some cashew crema. Guys, it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna start right here with the cashew, tacos. This is just whipped up with some taco seasoning. So, I mean, Amy was like, should I just make my own taco seasoning? You probably should, because that would probably come out better.
Yeah.
So we're probably gonna put that in there. But you want to cut these down as small as you can, because you're obviously gonna stuff some tortillas with it. So make these small little florets. You whip up, you put it in a big mixing bowl and put all the spices in there, roast that, and you're done. While that's roasting, and you're not done, I should say. No, you got to make this awesome crema sauce. This starts with cashews and water, and then some spices, and it makes this amazing cashew sauce. And cashews actually got a pretty good protein. When we cook this up for dinner, we'll add some black beans in there. Again, another good source of protein. Some cabbage for some filler, and then I will add my signature hot sauces, of course. And Amy will probably load some more. Well, you probably put some avocado in there.
I'll probably put
some healthy
I don't
fats.
know. Well, all the cashews are
Cashews are definitely healthy fats.
So I don't know.
Pretty much all you need right there, but beautiful. And coming over here, tried something new. This is a masala fish.
This looks good.
And we found a pretty great thick. Let's see if I can pick that
cod
up.
loin.
But look at this cod loin, super thick cod loin right here. It is just basted in garam masala and curry and some olive oil, actually avocado oil. Let that sit for a little bit, then put it in the oven and bake it.
You could grill it, but it falls apart pretty
Cod
early.
does flake up quite a bit. If you remember my boo-boo a couple weeks ago, it will flake, so it might fall out of the basket was my concern. We made some brown rice, put some turmeric in there. Turmeric, great for your body. And then I just whipped up coleslaw right here. So I started out with doing mango, cucumber, red onion, and half a red pepper. And then we added some power slaw, because we had that left over from last week. We added some shredded carrots, and all I did was put in olive oil and lime juice. And it's actually with we put in a peach too, because we didn't have enough mango. So with all that in there, it's a great flavor. You don't need much.
We literally went to the produce drawer. We're like, what else is in here that we can put in this salad?
We're just kind of winging it. But you know, make that your own. That's what's the beauty about cooking. Once you start cooking, you're like, man, I know what I can throw in there. Do it. Try it out. You're your own artist here. But yeah, just olive oil and lime juice. That was it in there. Over here, experimented quite a bit. It all came together. So we got some teriyaki chicken right here. It's actually more of a honey than teriyaki. There's no teriyaki sauce in it. It's really just honey and some other stuff. But you'll see there. But it's pretty tasty, but it's really simple. I wasn't too crazy about how the flavor came out, but it's really simple. So I paired it with some quinoa, put some healthy greens in there. Microgreens in there. So there's a package over there. Got rid of the package. But we saw the microgreens in the store, and I'm like, I've always wanted to use these. And I saw another recipe where they mixed it into the quinoa. So I did that. I mixed a whole batch of microgreens in the quinoa. It was like $5 for a big little container. Nothing big about it. It's probably about an inch deep.
Yeah.
About a plate size. But then these are just shredded zucchini. We'll put it in the zoodle. And then we added some shredded carrots to that as well. And this will cook once you heat all this up together. This will cook down. Probably a little water in there, so you want to drain it. And then you got it. Just top it with sesame seeds and green onion.
A little bit of salt and pepper on the carrots and zucchini.
Okay.
And zoodled the zucchini on the thinner setting. And so you're going to heat this plate up, what, 2.5 minutes? And that will cook that down.
Yeah.
And like Paul said, it'll give off a little bit of water. You might need to drain some out.
Yep.
But it's all you need to do
but
to
again,
it.
beautiful colors all the way around, just like we had last week. I love it when there's colors in here.
Well, all the colors here make up for the beige meal. It's beige.
But my main thought, guys, is when you're cooking, if you're like, man, it would really be good if I could throw this in there, you can. You don't have to follow recipes. I don't measure anything anymore. I got like teaspoon here, tablespoon. I mean, except for baking. I understand baking, you got to be more exact. But you know, just step outside the box for a little bit, especially if you've been doing it with us for a while. You know, make it your own, guys. Make it your own. Hope you have a great weekend, team. Let us know what you like. All right, take care.